Hello students, good morning. I am Pankaj Shukla from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Chapter 2, Relations and Functions of Class 11 Mathematics. Let's start introduction. Yes, relation. What do you mean by relation? Definition of relation: a relation R from a set A to a set B is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B obtained by describing a relationship between the first element X and the second element Y of the ordered pairs in A cross B. This is the proper definition of relation. Now, example of relation. Example of relations are, we all know natural number, it is represented by capital N. Whole number, it is represented by W. Integers, it is represented by Z. Rational number, it is represented by Q. They all are related to each other. How come? What is the relation between natural number, whole number, integers and rational number? N is the subset of W. W is the subset of Z. Z is the subset of Q. This is the relation between the natural number, whole number, integers and rational number. Now, in algebraic way, if x and y are two terms, then example x square is equals to y. One more example, x is equals to 2y plus 1. So, relation is done. Second topic, ordered pair. A pair of elements grouped together in a particular order. Ordered pair means a pair of elements grouped together in a particular order. For example, if x and y are two elements, the value of x is equals to 1 and the value of y is equals to 2. So, we can write in order 1, 2. One more example, when x is equals to minus 1, y is equals to minus 2, then ordered pair minus 1, minus 2 in bracket. If two elements x and y are given, then first we have to write the value of x and the second we have to write the value of y. So this is called ordered pair. Now, third term is Cartesian product. What do you mean by Cartesian product? If two sets A and B is given by, then Cartesian product of A and B is equals to A multiply B is equals to curly bracket A comma B in small bracket, such that A belongs to capital A, B belongs to capital B, curly bracket closed. This is Cartesian product. If two sets are same, R and R, then the Cartesian product is equals to R multiplied by R is equals to curly bracket x comma y in small bracket, such that x comma y belongs to R, curly bracket closed. Now, example of Cartesian product. Cartesian product, if A is equals to 1, 2 and B is equals to 3, 4, then Cartesian product of A and B is equals to 1, 3, 1, 4, small bracket, then 2, 3, 2, 4. This is the example of Cartesian product. You got it, all of you? Now, properties of Cartesian product. Properties of Cartesian product. First property, A multiply B is not equals to B multiply A. In Cartesian product, A multiply B is not equals to B multiply A. Second property, A multiply 5 is equals to 5. You all know Phi is the set of elements, no elements. Phi has null set means it has no element. Therefore, the product of A multiplied by phi is equals to phi. Third one, if n A is equals to P, means number of elements in set A, number of elements in set A is equals to P, and number of elements in set B is equals to Q, NB. NA is equals to P. If NA is equals to P and NB is equals to Q, then NA cross B is equals to PQ. NA cross B is equals to P multiplied by Q. The total number of relations is equals to 2 raised to the power PQ. This is the formula of the total number of relations. Total number of relations is equals to 2 raised to the power PQ. Example 1. Exercise 2.1. Example number 1. If A is equals to 1, 2 and B is equals to 3, 4, full stop. Find the number of relations from A to B. A is equals to 1, 2 and B is equals to 3, 4. So, Cartesian product of A and B is equals to 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. Cartesian product of A and B is equals to 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. And A, number of elements in set A. Number of elements in set A. Count how many elements in set A. There are 2 elements in set A and 2 elements in set B. So 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. Therefore, NA cross B is equals to 4. But what we have to find? We have to find the number of relations, and the formula required for number of relations is 2 raised to the power P and Q. Here, the value of P is equals to 2 and Q is equals to 2. So 2 raised to the power 4. So 2 raised to the power 4 is equals to 16. So required answer is the number of relations from A into B is equals to 2 raised to the power 4 is equals to 16. Chapter 2, Relations and Functions, exercise 2.1. Question 1. If x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 in a small bracket is equals to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3 in a small bracket, comma, find the values of x and y. We have to find the value of x and y. So compare x by 3 plus 1 is equals to 5 by 3 and y minus 2 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3. We have to compare these values. Now solution is x by 3 plus 1 is equals to 5 by 3. Then next step, x by 3 is equals to 5 by 3 plus, then sign change, so it becomes minus. So 5 by 3 minus 1. Here 3 and 1 LCM is 3. So 5, 3 1 3, 5 minus 3 is equals to 2 by 3. X upon 3 is equals to 2 by 3. 3 cancel. So the value of x is equals to 2. Now when y minus 2 by 3 compared to 1 upon 3. So y minus 2 by 3 is equals to 1 upon 3. Minus 2 by 3 this side, then sign will be changed, minus becomes plus. So 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. LCM is 3 here, So 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is equals to 1 plus 2, 3 upon 3 is equals to 1. So value of y is equals to 1. The value of x is equals to 2. Value of y is equals to 1. Next question, question number 2. Let a is equals to 1, 2, 3. B is equals to 3, 4. And C is equals to 4, 5, 6. Find first part. A cross B intersection C or A multiply B intersection C in small bracket. Second part, A multiply B in small bracket intersection A multiply C in small bracket. Solution. First part, B intersection C. What do you mean by intersection? Intersection means common. Here, what is the common between B and C? What is the common between B and C? Look here, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. So common number is 4. Therefore, B intersection C is equals to 4. Now, but we have to find the value of A multiply B intersection C. We have to find the value of A multiply B intersection C. So, A multiply by B intersection C. The value of A is equals to, so product is 1, 2, 3 multiply by 4. We have to multiply 1, 2, 3 by 4. So how come 1, 4? So 1, 4. 2, 4. So 2, 4. 3, 4. Then 3, 4. This is the Cartesian product of A multiply B intersection C. So answer is 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Yes, any problem? Now, second part. Second part is A multiply B intersection A multiply C. We have to find the value of A multiply by B. The value of A is equals to 1, 2, 3. And the value of B is equals to 3, 4. So, Cartesian product of A and B. Cartesian product of A and B is 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. Look here all of you. 1, 3, then 1, 4, 2, 3, then 2, 4, then 3, 3, 4. So Cartesian product of A and B is equals to 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. Now, what is the Cartesian product of A and C? Here the value of A is equals to 1, 2, 3 and the value of C is equals to 4, 5, 6. So product of A and C. So A multiply by C is equals to 1, 4, 1, 4. 1, 5, 1, 5. 1, 6, 1, 6. Same thing. 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. So 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Then 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 6. So overall Cartesian product of A and C is equals to 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, then 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. This is the Cartesian product of A and C. But what we have to find? Question is A multiply B, intersection A multiply C. We have to find the common value between A multiply B and A multiply C. Cartesian product of A and B and Cartesian product of A and C. So common value, what is the common value? The common value is 1, 4. Then 2, 4, 2, 4. Then 1, 4, 2, 4, then 3, 4. 3, 4. So the common value is 1, 4, 2, 4 and 3, 4. So answer is A multiply B intersection A multiply C is equals to curly bracket 1, 4 small bracket, then 2, 4 small bracket, 3, 4 small bracket. Exercise 2.2 important points: image, domain, range, and one more codomain. Exercise 2.2 is based on image, domain, range, and codomain. What do you mean by range? The image of an element X, the image of an element X under a relation R is given by Y, where X, Y belongs to R. Second, what do you mean by the domain? The domain of R is the set of all first elements of the ordered pair in a relation R. Domain is the all first elements of the ordered pairs in a relation R. Relation R between A to A. Relation R between A to A. R is equals to 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. Now, what do you mean by the domain? Domain is the all first element of set A in relation. So, first elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, domain is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, next is range. The range of the relation R is the set of all second elements of the ordered pair in relation R. Range is the set of all second elements. It means all second elements here. And relation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now range is example of range is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So domain and range is clear. Domain is the all first elements in set A. Range is the all second elements in set B. But relation is given like this. Here, what is the relation? According to this example number 2, let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, curly bracket closed. Full stop. Define a relation R from A to A by R is equals to curly bracket X, Y such that Y is equals to X plus 1 curly bracket closed. We have to find first part. Depict this relation using an arrow diagram. This diagram is called arrow diagram. This is set A, this is also set A. Why set A to A? According to the question, define a relation from A to A. So the value of A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the value of A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now relation. What is the relation? Y is equals to x plus 1. Y is equals to x plus 1 means when x is equals to 1. When x is equals to 1, then y is equals to 2. So through arrow diagram 1, 2. When x is equals to 2, this is x and this is y. X is equals to 2, then 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Similarly, when x is equals to 3, then y is equals to 4. Then x is equals to 4, y is equals to 5. X is equals to 5, y is equals to 6. So the relation is r is equals to solution. R is equals to 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. This is the relation R. The corresponding arrow diagram. This diagram is known as arrow diagram. Second part, write down the domain, codomain and range of R. You have to find the value of domain, codomain and range. I have explained domain is the first element of the set. Relation is like this. So first element, all the first elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not 6. Why 6 is not included? Because according to the relation, y is equals to x plus 1. So 5, last relation is 5, 6. So the domain are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Domain, first element, relations, see the relations. So all the first elements are domain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what do you mean by codomain? Codomain means all the elements in set, next set. Suppose set A to A. So second set, all the elements. Second set, all the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the elements of second set is known as codomain. Third one, range. Range is the second element, but relation. See the relation. So we have to write only 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not 1. So range is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chapter 2, Relations and Functions, exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Write the relation R is equals to x, x cube in small bracket. Double dot means such that. This double dot means such that x is a prime number less than 10 curly bracket. X, x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10 curly bracket in Roster form. We have to write in Roster form. Relation is x, x cube. Now the condition required. X is a prime number less than 10. Prime numbers is less than 10. Solution. We all know that prime numbers less than 10 are 2, 3, 5, 7. Prime number less than 10 are 2, 3, 5, 7. Here y is equals to x cube. Y is equals to x cube. Well, x is equals to 2. When x is equals to 2, then y is equals to x cube. So the value of y, 2 cube is 8. So 2, 8. When x is equals to 3, y is equals to x cube is equals to 3 power 3 and 3 power 3 is 27. So 3, 27. Similarly, when x is equals to 5, so y is equals to x cube and 5 cube is equals to 125. So 5, 125. When x is equals to 7, so y is equals to x cube and 7 power 3. 7 power 3 is 343. So 7, 343. Here 7, 343. First is 2, 8, second is 327, third is 5, 125, fourth is 7, 343. In roster form, R is equals to, according to the question, you have to find the roster form. So in roster form, R is equals to 2, 8, 3, 27, 5, 125, 7, 343. This is the required answer. Yes. Next question. Question number 2. Let A is equals to x, y, z in curly bracket and B is equals to 1, 2 in curly bracket. Find the number of relations from A to B. You have to find the number of relations from A to B. Solution: NA. Count the number of elements in set A. 1, 2, 3. How many elements? There are 3 elements. How many elements in B? How many elements? There are only 2 elements. So NB is equals to 2. Number of relations A to B is equals to 2 raised to the power PQ. Required formula for the number of relations is 2 raised to the power PQ. So 2 raised to the power. What is the value of P? The value of P is equals to 3. Why 3? Because there are 3 elements in set A. And how many elements in set B? There are 2 elements. So the value of Q is 2 and 3 multiplied 2 is equals to 6. So the number of relations A to B is 2 raised to the power 6.
3.
Yes. Exercise 2.3. It is based on function. So first, what do you mean by the function? Now, according to the definition of function, a relation f from a set A to a set B. A relation f from a set A to set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. This is very important line. You can identify the function yes or no. This line is very important. Now, what is the line? If you have to check the function, a relation f from a set A to a set B is said to be a function if this line, every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Every element of set A has only one and one image in set B. So, example, look here. We have to find this is a function or not. R is equals to curly bracket 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4. So here first element, see the first element. First elements are 2, 2, 3, 4. According to the definition of function, first element of a set A has only one image in set B. So images are, the image of 2 is 2, the image of 2 is 4, the image of 3 is 3, the image of 4 is 4. Clearly, first element here, first element is 2 and it has 2 different images. It has 2 different images, 2 and 4. First element has 2 different images, therefore it is not a function. This is not a function because first element has 2 different images. According to the definition of function, if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B, but here 2 has 2 different images, therefore this is not a function. Is it clear? What do you mean by the function? Now, if f is a function from A to B, f is a function from A to B and A comma B small bracket belongs to f, then f A is equals to B comma where B is called the image of A under F and A is called the pre-image of B under F. Here image and pre-image. What do you mean by the image and the pre-image? Here 2 is the image of 2, 4 is the image of 2, 3 is the image of 3, 4 is the image of 4, and the pre-image is 2, here 2, 3, 4. Now exercise 2.3 example. Which of the following relations are functions? Question mark. Give reason if it is a function.
3.
Solution first. Yes, because 2, 3, 4 are elements of domain of R having their unique images. R is equals to 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2. We have to check this is a function or not. Yes, it is a function because every element of set A has unique images. Image of 2 is 1, image of 3 is 1, image of 4 is 2. Therefore, this is a function. Second part, R is equals to 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4. Again, what is the question? Is it a function? This is a function or not? This is not a function. Earlier, I have explained why this one is not a function. Because here, 2 has two different images. 2 has two different images because 2 has two different images, 2 and 4. Therefore, this is not a function. If first element of a set A has many images or more than one images, then it is not a, therefore it is not a function because 2 has two different images. Now this question is done. Yes, any problem? After this, next example. Example 4. Let fx is equals to x square and gx is equals to 2x plus 1 be two real functions. Fx and gx are the two functions given. Find f plus g of x, comma f minus g of x, comma f into g of x, comma f upon g of x. We have to find the addition of two functions, subtraction of two functions, multiplication of two functions, and division of two functions. F plus g of x means fx plus gx. F plus g of x means fx plus gx. Here the value of fx is equals to x square and gx value is 2x plus 1. Now addition is x square plus 2x plus 1. Now f minus g of x. F minus g means fx minus gx. Fx, the value of fx is x square and gx value is 2x plus 1. So x square then minus x square minus this one is in bracket 2x plus 1. Then sign will be changed. Here sign will be changed. So minus 2x minus 1. Therefore f minus g of x is equals to x square minus 2x minus 1. Now third one, fg of x. It means product of fx and gx. What do you mean by f into g of x? Means product of fx and gx. Here, what is the value of fx? The value of fx is x square, gx value is 2x plus 1. Now product of x square and 2x plus 1. So multiply. X square is multiplied by 2x. So it is 2x cube and 1 multiplied by x square. This one is x square. So product f and g of x is equals to 2x cube plus x square. Next, f upon gx means division of two functions. F upon g means division of two functions. F by g of x is equals to x square, first function is x square, then divided by 2x plus 1, comma x is not equals to minus 1 upon 2. Why? 2x plus 1, because 2x plus 1 is equals to 0, then x is equals to minus 1 by 2. What do you mean by not equals to? Here x is not equals to minus 1 by 2. Suppose x is equals to 1 by 2 we put, then this one denominator is 0 and this form is indeterminate form. So x is not equals to minus 1 by 2. Therefore required answer is f upon g of x is equals to x square upon 2x plus 1. Chapter 2, Relations and Functions, exercise 2.3, question 1. A function f is defined by fx is equals to 2x minus 5. Write down the values of f of 0, f of 7. First part, we have to find the value of f0 and the value of f7. Now, solution. First part, f0 means the value of x equals to 0. f0 means the value of x equals to 0. So put the value of x equals to 0 here. fx is equals to 2x minus 5. f0 means the value of x equals to 0. So 2 multiplied by 0 minus 5. So 0 minus 5 and answer is minus 5. So first part f0 is equals to minus 5. Now in second part we have to find the value of f7. f7 shows that the value of x is equals to 7. f7 means x is equals to 7. So put x is equals to 7 in fx. fx is equals to 2x minus 5. So x is equals to 7. So 2 multiply 7 minus 5. So 14 minus 5 is equals to 9. Types of functions, you can go through these lines. There are 7 types of functions. Now what are they? First function, identity function. This one is the standard form, y is equals to fx is equals to x, and example is equals to y is equals to x and y equals to 2x. Second is constant function. Constant means the value is constant. So f r2r by y is equals to fx is equals to c, x belongs to r, c means constant. So constant function. Example, y is equals to 4 and y is equals to minus 2. Third one is polynomial function. So f r2r, we all know that the polynomial we have studied in previous class. Example of polynomial function, y is equals to x cube minus x square plus 2 and y is equals to x square plus 2x plus 1. Here standard form of polynomial function. Now next is the rational function. We know that rational number in p by q form. So rational function is fx by gx form, and this is the example. Next, after this rational function is done, this one is the example. After this signum function, this is the example of signum function. Fx is equals to modulus of x upon x. This is the form of the signum function. After this, the modulus function. f(r2r), modulus means value is positive and negative. X is greater than and equals to 0, then x is less than 0, then minus x. Here f(r2r), f of x is equals to modulus of x. Next one, British integer function. f(r2r), fx is equals to with bracket x is equals to minus 1, 4, x is greater than equals to minus 1 and less than 0. Here chapter is finished. If you have any doubt, you can ask in online class. Is it okay? So thank you. Here practice sheet is given. Practice sheet chapter 2, relations and function. Go through these questions and do practice. I hope you can understand all the important points and all chapter 2, relations and functions. Thank you very much.